Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala says there are less hungry Filipinos. Let's have the full story from Sweden Velado.
Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala proudly announced during the World Food Day opening ceremony that based on United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization's data, the Philippines' hunger rate had declined significantly 10 years.
Ito po yung ayon doon sa FAO at saka po doon sa huling survey na mas kumukunti po yung nagugutom kaysa doon sa nakaraang 10 taon.
In December 2014, around 4 million Filipinos were reported hungry, but DA Undersecretary Dave Catbagan said that 800,000 were deducted from the said figure in March 2015. Catbagan also shared that the number of hungry Filipinos dropped to 2.9 million, according to the last Social Weather Station survey conducted in June.
Dito sa Pilipinas ay natutuwa tayong ibalita, ito ay datos ng United Nations Food and Agriculture na ang Pilipinas sa ngayon ay isa sa mga bansang na-achieve niya ang kanyang target sa Millennium Development Goal. The same data na nilabas ng FAO, ito ay yung tinatawag na Insufficiency Food Index. No? Ang Pilipinas ay bumaba 11%, 11.1%. No? Galing ito sa datos na 26.3% noong 90s. Napababa niya ang hunger rate. No?
Meanwhile, Regions 2 and 12 currently experience mild El Nino. Secretary Alcala said damages to agriculture have already reached 3.2 billion pesos and the heavily affected crops are corns. Despite this, the DA Secretary assured the public that his department continues its efforts and interventions on securing food in the country.
Nag-angkat na po ang NFA ng kaukulang butil na wag para hindi po pumila ang tao.
The Department of Agriculture has ongoing cloud seeding operations on regions affected by mild El Nino using an allotted fund amounting to 50 million pesos. For the People's Television, this is Sweden Velado.